Hello, Maya Moore here. I'm a returning student studying finance, and I'm going to do my best to get us through building a pivot chart and a table in Excel on a Mac. Here we go. First, I've already downloaded the spreadsheet and the data that we're using for the purpose of this video. Now select the data we're going to use the gray triangle at the top of the spreadsheet. Go to Insert and then Pivot Table. The data set appears and we're going to build this on a new worksheet. To the right we have our Pivot Table dialog and Pivot Table field list. On the field list we need to select the data we want to use for the chart. We're going to select retailer country for our columns and then bring it down. On the next line of data, we're going to choose product lines and bringing that down into our rows. We're now going to place quantity and revenue inside of our values. Normally in the values, if you click on the I, you will bring up a drop-down box that will show you that it's automatically calculated to sum. We're going to go ahead and change that to average. We've changed average quantity. Now we're going to change it also to average revenue. After we've changed it, we now click on number and we're going to click number format, 0 decimal places, and go ahead and click on the checkbox to use the comma for the separator. We do need to do that for both of our quantity and we need to do it for quantity and revenue. Now we also need to format our revenue into currency. Click on it again, go to number, click currency, and then click OK. Click OK again. And there you have it. We now have our average quantity and our average revenue. Now we want to build our chart, but we need to filter. So we deselect all, and then we choose Australia and Korea. So now we have the average values and quantities for Australia and Korea. We can now choose to build our chart. Normally we would insert a combo chart, but a Mac is a bit different. First we click on the table for the info that's going into our chart. Go to Insert tab and choose our bar chart. As you can see, some of the data is too small and then we can't chart the area. Now we go to Chart Area and select Series, Australia, Revenue. Go over to and select Secondary Access. Then we go ahead and go down to Series, Korea Revenue. And we're also going to put that one on the secondary access. Now that we've already had it selected, we're going to go Series Australia Quantities and drop down to Design, Chart, and then it's a line with points. We've now changed it and put on the secondary. Now the format again, we're going to go to Korea and put that on the primary, but we're going to design it and put it as another line chart. Now we have our combo chart and it's all complete with our quantities, currency, and everything else. Thanks for listening. And whoever said that doing something over and over again and expecting different results obviously has never taught an old dog new tricks or tried to help me get this perfected. Thank you again, and you guys have a great day.